My name is Jill Pater. I'm a photographer and publisher, and I'm working here today at one of my favorite hotels, the SLS in Beverly Hills. My main source of inspiration for photography does come from travel. So every time I travel, I'm inspired by the food, I'm inspired by the landscape, the people, being in a different place, having a different perspective on things. And to be honest, just being grateful that I have the opportunity to do what I do for a living. I'm a minimalist by nature, and so for me it's important to kind of travel that way as well. So I like having a very compact unit that I go with. I've been fortunate that I found CALPAK early on in my travel career, and I've had, for a while I had the same carry-on I think for 10 years that have been through probably 90 countries. For me there's a certain freedom and pride that comes from just rolling around, having your life in that little case. One of my favorite travel quotes is by Susan Sontag. It's, "I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list." That for me is 100% how I live my life. I want to explore every corner of the world, and especially go to places that people kind of shy away from because of political reasons or because they're just less familiar with and are a little off the beaten path.